Okay, another item. Some of you come to us and they say, and they tell us, I am not concerned about the cash flow. I am mostly concerned about appreciation. So how do we tackle appreciation? Well, when you come to us and work with us, we will steer you in the right direction based on our estimated guess, right? Guesstimate, to make sure you are putting your energy towards a market that we think, not guaranteeing, will very likely generate a better appreciation for you. So us, by being very knowledgeable and experienced, will try to direct you, to guide you to the right market. Keep in mind, we will definitely or very likely gonna not direct you to the markets that we know that are historically are very repeatedly not appreciating well, right? So there is avoiding one thing, not appreciating well, and trying to put your recommendation towards those markets that if this is what's important for you, then you can at least have the better chance of going in that direction. Now, how do we know? Well, we don't. But being out there, being active, seeing patterns over the past 20 years of behavior of real estate markets and economic, and seeing some markets operate in a certain way, we can have some sort of an educated guess which market is very likely or more likely to appreciate better versus another, right? So I'm very cautious because it's not a for sure formula. That being said, we will probably add to that some methodologies to try and also help you buy in a certain way. Will give you a head start, right? So it's a combination of directing a certain market and trying to buy in a certain way so you can have a better head start in order to accomplish this, right? Not everybody is concerned about this, right? Everybody wants appreciation, but not everybody is necessarily that's top priority. I had plenty of investors who come to us and say, we want cash flow, I want cash flow, right? Or cash flow is the more important thing, not for everybody. You who say, I want appreciation, can you help me head in that direction? And the answer is yes. And that means we want to direct you or guide you to a certain market or markets that will potentially provide you with a higher appreciation chances or potential. See you on the next topic.